How to make a menu on WordPress, easy tutorial for beginners 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another WordPress tutorial, and in this tutorial, we're going to be seeing how we can add our very own personalized menu widget or menu box in our WordPress page or our WordPress website, whatever we have. And it's going to be very easy. I'm going to take you through it very simply, and I'm going to take you through all the steps, and it's going to be very simple. Nothing's going to be complex. I just want you to relax and watch the video till the end, and make sure to go through all my steps and instructions. And once you have done all that, by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to add a menu on your WordPress. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to go ahead and write WordPress.com. Now, if you don't know what WordPress.com is one of the most popular website builders out there. And if you're a person who's looking out there to start your very own WooCommerce or e-commerce website, so WordPress is the best for you because it creates the greatest websites that you can find on the internet. So once we're over here, we're obviously going to need to get started. Now, if you're not familiar with how this works, you can go and check out a video I have on that. But for now, I'm just going to take you through all the basics. So obviously, we're going to go to temp mail because I don't want to use my original email right now. So we're just going to wait for temp mail to load in. Once it loads, just keep a random username. It doesn't really matter what you keep. And just keep some username that you know that you're going to remember. And choose a password that will fit their description, and then you're going to take your email and you're going to paste it right there. And once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and create your account. And once you create your account, it's going to say choose a domain. Now obviously, let's say you want to name the website, let's just keep it like that. So obviously, because you can't get a domain for free, so what you're going to do is you're going to find the free one, or you can just skip it if you want to. You can buy these ones if you want to, but obviously they're going to be paid. Like, they're going to be $19 a year. They're going to be free for the first year, but later on you're going to need to pay them. Like, for example, website.org, like the professional names obviously are for money. But if you want to go with a free one, it's website4.wordpress.com. You can go with this, or you can just choose your domain later. I'm just going to go with the free one right now because I'm just giving a tutorial. Then it's going to ask you to choose a plan. Now in the plan, you can choose your personal, premium, business, or e-commerce plans. You can choose any one of them. The most popular is the premium one. It's $8 per month, and you get tons of great features. Now you can do that, or if you don't, we're just going to go with start with a free site. So then what it's going to do is it's going to load you up, and what it's going to ask you is it's going to ask you your goals. And it asks you that because it wants you to properly set up your e-commerce page. So you're just going to write whatever you do. So let's say I sell online, and then I'm going to click on continue. Now once I click on continue, it's going to ask me what your website about, all the basics. I'm just going to go ahead and skip to dashboard because I don't want to get into all of that. So once you're here, this is your basic WordPress dashboard. It's where all the magic happens. This is basically your blank canvas, and from here on out, you're going to start your work, your editing, or whatever you have. And yeah, this is how you set your WordPress up. Now what you're going to want to do is, obviously, if you're not familiar with all of the interface, you're going to want to check out a video I have on my channel where I have explained how the WordPress page works. Like, I have explained all these features in details, like what does this do, what these all widgets are, how you go into the settings, like right here. I've shown all of this in that video, so please check that out. So once you've checked that out, then you're going to know what I'm going to be doing here, because now once you're over here in the left hand side, we're obviously, to add a menu into our page, we're obviously going to need a page. So we're just going to go on pages, and once we're on pages, we're going to click on add new page. And once we click on add new page, we're just going to wait for this to load up. And once it loads up, we're going to create our very own page. So we can obviously choose from the great templates that WordPress provides us with, or you can just create your very own blank page. I'm just going to go with the great templates it has because I don't really want to get into the details. So just change it to your text. For example, I want to name it this by soon, and then I'm just gonna publish it real quick. Publish. And what's going to happen is it's going to publish a page according to your domain. So here's your link, and it says website soon is now live. So you can go ahead and view it, but I'm just going to get straight into the basics. So once you've done this, you're going to go back into your pages, and here you can see that the website you just created. Now what you're going to want to do is we're going to add some posts. So once you're in posts, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on add new post. Now you're going to add a new post to your page just the way you added a page to your WordPress. So once this loads up, you're just going to make a post like, let's just write it something randomly like new post. And you're just gonna hi, this is a new post. You're just gonna write something random for now. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and publish it. And what this will do is it will publish this post on my page. And once that is done, you can go ahead and view posts. So we're just gonna do that really quick. So there we go. So this is how your post is gonna look like. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to my site. Now once you've added the posts, obviously you can go ahead and mess around with the media if you want to, obviously. Like you can go ahead into the media. You can add new things if you want to. You can add images, documents, videos, audios if you want to. I'm not going to get into that right now. Now, once you've added your page and your posts, now comes the main part. Now what you're going to want to do is in this left hand bar, you're going to see appearance right down here, and you're just going to click on appearance. Now once you click on appearance, over here you're going to go on customize. Now once you're in customize, from here on out it's going to load up. Now here we go. Now once we go on customize, here we can see our posts for our page. Here you're going to see menus. So this is the main widget that you want to click. So you just click here. You are customizing menus. You're going to click on any menu and you're going to click on add item. And here you're going to click on any type of thing you want. So you can make it for your posts or your pages. You just click on that and you can see that a home icon was added, as you can see. And you can also remove it if you want to, or you can just go back. You can go into primary and you can even add more items. Let's say you want to add some posts. You click on that, and what's going to happen is it's going to add a menu related to your posts. Or let's say let's add a new item for your pages, and let's do that. And what that does is it just adds these menus for you. And that is just basically how easy it is. You're just going to click on save changes, and from there on out it's going to save the menus on your page, and you can just mess around with the text or the link it takes you to. And that is how easy it is. You can add sub menus too if you want to, and if you want me to get into the advanced details of that, just let me know down in the comments. So yeah, basically that is how easy it is to add your menus on your WordPress. And if you have any queries or issues related to this video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll help you right away. If you want to see more videos like this related to WordPress, let me know that as well and I will make more videos for you. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Share this video around with anyone in need and leave down a nice comment if you like the video. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great day. That was all from me and I'll see you later. Goodbye.